Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the font size of your Shopify menu. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to navigate inside the Shopify admin, which file needs editing, and where to place a short code snippet so your menu text becomes larger or smaller throughout your store. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. From your main dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This takes you to the section that manages the look and functionality of your storefront. Under Online Store, select Themes. Your active theme will appear at the top. This is the version visible to your customers. On that theme, find the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. Click it to reveal extra settings. Choose Edit Code from the drop-down. This opens Shopify's code editor where you can make precise adjustments to your theme files. A quick reminder before continuing, editing theme code changes how your live site appears, so proceed carefully and only add code you're confident about. In the sidebar, locate the Layout folder and open it. Inside that folder, click on theme.liquid. This file controls the overall structure of your storefront. Once it loads, scroll down to the very bottom of the file. You're looking for the closing body tag. Your custom CSS will be inserted directly above this line, so it applies site-wide. Paste your code snippet right above the closing body tag. To change the menu's font size, you'll typically add a small style block that targets the navigation links and sets a new font size value, such as 16px, 18px, or whatever suits your design. The exact CSS selector may vary depending on your theme, so be sure your code specifically targets the elements controlling your main navigation. If the font doesn't change after saving, it usually means you need to adjust your selector to match how your theme structures its menu. Once you've added your code, click Save. After saving, preview your storefront to make sure the menu text is displaying at the new size. If it doesn't update immediately, reload your preview. Double-check that the snippet is placed just above the closing body tag and confirm that you're targeting the correct menu elements in your CSS. Keep in mind that different screen sizes may display text differently, so test on both desktop and mobile to ensure the font size remains clear, balanced, and consistent with your branding. And that's it! You've accessed your theme, opened the correct file, added the necessary style code, and saved your changes, successfully updating the menu font size on your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.